My name is Tertiary, and in this video I will be discussing the question set 27 of DBMS question sets day 6. Once again in this discussion I will be using the same scenario of question set 16 and same set of data which was used in question set 18. So let's go to our question set 27. The first question: what is the number of students? What is the number of means that we have used the count function. Count, what is the number of students studying in class 11. So this will be our first query. We have to select number of students who are studying in class 11A. So we count the number of index numbers we get from these two inner join tables, and we have used the condition class name 11A. So I will show you the answer that I received. So the second question: find the number of students who scored between 40 and 90 marks in all subjects in the first term examination. So once again we have used the count function. Then we have used the student exam mark record table and the exam term table. This will be our second query. We have inner joined student exam mark record table with the exam term table. So we can fill all marks in the first term. To count the number of students, we have used the student index number. And fill our marks, we have used this part of the condition. Let's see the answer. I have executed the query, so this is what I got. I got the answer as 19. So let's see the third question. What is the number of students? Once again, we have used the count keyword. What is the number of students appearing in the subject of science in the second term examination of students studying in all classes in grade 11? This should be our third query. Firstly, we took the student index number, so we can count the number of students. Then we have inner join the student exam mark record table with the exam term table to filter second term marks, and to filter the science marks we inner join the subject table. And lastly we get to see our condition. Subject name is science and the term name is second term. So this is what I got. I got the answer as 8. So the fourth question: find the details of 11A students who scored more than 60 marks in mathematics in the second term examination. We have to find this set of details: the admission number, the first name, the last name, the mark, and the date of examination. So this would be our fourth query. We have selected the details they have mentioned, and we have firstly now joined the student exam mark record table with the student table. Then we have inner joined the class table. Then we have inner joined the subject table. Then lastly the exam term table. And this line shows us the condition, and this would be the answer. Let's move on to the next question. It would be the fifth question. Find the number of students. Number means we have used the keyword count. Once again, count. Find the number of students in class 11A who scored more than 60 marks in science in the second term examination. So this will be our fifth query. We have counted the number of index numbers, and we have firstly now joined the student table with the student exam mark record table. We have used student table as they have mentioned the class name. So correspondingly we have entered the class table as well, and then we have entered the subject table as they have mentioned the subject name as science. Then we have entered the exam term table since they have mentioned the term name as second term. So this would be our condition part. I will show you the answer that I have received. It's 3, number 3. That means 3 students. And that would be the end of the discussion of question set 27 of DBMS question sets day 6. And thank you.